let's summarize today's lesson. Today we looked at a new topic, that is rocks and minerals. And we said rocks are natural substances of one or more aggregate of minerals. We also talked about minerals, where we said minerals are naturally occurring chemical compounds formed by geological processes. And we said the dominant mineral, which is normally found in rocks, is the silicate mineral. And the silicate is a combination of silicon and oxygen. Examples of such silicate minerals include feldspar, olivine, mica, etc. We also looked at some rocks and their composition. We talked about granite, where we said granite is formed when minerals like feldspar, quartz, and mica combine. And a rock like salt is formed when sodium and chlorine combine. We also talked about how rocks are differentiated. We said rocks are differentiated by using their texture, that is, whether they are fine grain or coarse grain, that is, whether they are smooth or rough, and sometimes their glassy nature. We also talked about the structure of the rock, where we said we use the arrangement of the rock to differentiate between it, whether the rock is stratified, that is layered, or non-stratified, or whether the minerals have been arranged, that is foliated, or the minerals are not arranged, that is non-foliated. We can also use the color of the rock to differentiate it. Some rocks are red, others blue, others green, others black, others gray, etc. And we say some rocks are porous, that is, they contain minor holes within them which allow water to pass through, that is the permeability, and some rocks are not. And we also said we can use the mode of occurrence to differentiate between rocks. Some rocks are formed within the earth, others are formed on the surface of the earth. Then we can use the degree of resistance to denudation to differentiate between rocks. And the degree of denudation, we're talking about some rocks are very hard and compact, while others are very soft. So they are easily broken down by the agents of denudation, which include water, wind, ice, and waves. So that is what we talk about today. We'll meet next time and talk about the types of rocks. Until then, have a good time and take care.